Hello, thank you so much for scheduling the Medicare appointment. I look forward to meeting with you. To make sure we're using our time efficiently, I've got a little homework for you to do. So there are a couple benefits of doing it this way, and doing this is to make sure that information is accurate as well as time saving. So a lot of times people forget to bring their medication lists and their doctor lists. So I'm going to have you go ahead and update that for me. So we're going to utilize this website. This is the website. It's in the link that I've sent you. You can actually, to make sure it's here, this is my NPN number and my cell phone number. Make sure you're on the correct website. And it's super simple and easy to update this information before we meet. So we're simply going to go to Help Me Choose. You're going to put in your zip code where you live. I'm going to use the office address just for information purposes here. And then we're going to put in our medications. If you use a generic, you're going to put the generic in here, the first three letters. If it's the brand, put the brand in. So I'm going to choose lisinopril. I'm going to choose my dosage. Let's say I get a 90-day supply or 3-month supply, and then a 3-month quantity. I'm going to add the drug. You want to make sure the drug is listed here or else it did not save. And then we can do another one. You can add as many medications as you need. Let's say I use metformin. 1,000 milligram, again 90-day supply, but I take 2 a day, so I'm going to need to put a twice a day 90-day supply quantity. Add. Once this information is accurate and complete, you can go to next. And then we're going to put in our doctors. You're going to put the city where the doctor office is located in. Let's say I choose Jacksonville, or you can put a zip code if the city's not listed here. And then we'll put in their last name. Let's just say Dr. Smith. Hit continue, pick his office address that you attend. Let's say select, and it will input here to make sure it's been updated. We can add up to 20 doctors, so let's add another one. Dr. Adams. So say Charles Adams, add the Riverside address. Once this information in your doctor list is complete and accurate, please go to next. On the health section, please skip this. This affects the numbers based on estimated costs, and I want to focus on fixed costs, so please skip this section. And then our pharmacy. If you use a mail order pharmacy, you'll click here. If you use a major chain or a local pharmacy, you'll click one of these. Let's just say we choose CVS. Once CVS is checked, it is complete. You can hit next from here, and that is all that I need you to do before our appointment. From here, I need you to save this code. Please write it down, email it, text it to me. Make sure you bring it with you on our appointment and have it available, because this is what I'll plug in, and it will populate all the data you've already input to make sure our meeting is time efficient. So I'll be having a lot of appointments coming up, so please make sure you have that done before our meeting gets going, and make sure all that information is complete and accurate based on what you're currently taking, not what you assume you may take. We can never guess on what we might be prescribed in the future. So please go from there. If you would like to move on a little bit further, you could actually select plans as many as you like and compare other options based on your list, and you can actually finish enrolling yourself through this website. That is not needed for our appointment. I will help walk you through it and finish that up with you. I look forward to meeting with you, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.